Well, here we go this morning. Going to do a lake test run on the latest Restore, number 158. It's 1966, 9.5 horsepower Evinrude for Bill in Natchitoches. And she is a beauty. Completely restored, top to bottom. Barrel test was great. She ran great in the barrel. It's completely redone. Beautiful, beautiful motor. I'll take her out for a run on the Toledo Bend Lake in the Missy boat. We'll see how she goes. If everybody's ready, we're out here on the lake, and I've been running her. Man, I tell you what, she's a 10, Bill. This motor is super fine. Idles down to nothing. Starts right up first crank. Pushes my boat 16, 17 miles an hour. What a beautiful motor. Let's give her a quick start and take her for a run. We'll try this left-handed. Oh yeah. I mean, that thing starts right up. Pumping good water. Let's take it for a run. Yes, super fantastic. Super duper. Idle's great. Reverse works. Super duper. I'm gonna take her on in now. Bill, give me a call when you're ready to come get her. She's all yours, my man. Let's take her on in. video. You know, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, my passion are the vintage outboard motors, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, Johnson and Evinrudes. I just love them. And my mission is to have every part, every video, and every parts manual you need to repair, service, and restore those vintage outboard motors. And I think I've come pretty close to doing that. I have a website. Go ahead and click on it. It's the first link down below. It's tmikesvintageoutboards.com. On that website is the best way to reach me. You can find my mail-in service repair where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, your magneto. I'll repair it, test it, and video it and put it on YouTube for you to see. I also have all the parts you need right there on that website. I have technical consulting. If you need some questioning, I have a donation page. You can donate some money and ask me questions, and I can get back to you. That's really my best way to contact me is through my website, T Mike's Vintage Outboards. So I love what I do. I love my passion. I love helping people, and it's been a great ride. So remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.